What's up, everybody? So today what we're going to be doing is showing the babies that just hatched yesterday and showing that they're doing good. All the eggshells are gone. We didn't lose any. And I just want to make a public announcement. Yesterday I messed up. The calendar that I was looking at was 2022. Okay, so I said it was Friday the 18th. Yesterday was November 17th, 2023. I was looking at a calendar that was 2022. So last year it would have been November 18th on a Friday. Today is November 18th and it's a Saturday, 2023. So with that being said, public announcement, I'm sorry. I messed up on the dates because I was using a calendar that was old. So I'm gonna get a new one. And if you see on the video, you can look at the top, it say November 2022. Yeah, I didn't recognize it right then and there because I was too excited for the babies. Why wouldn't you be excited for the babies? I was excited for the babies, so that was my mistake. So we're just gonna go look at them. They doing good, no deaths so far. Everything is doing good. I took out all the eggshells. I'm just ready to keep breeding and keep going on my journey because this is what I'm doing for the rest of my life. I'm gonna be honest. I'm breeding plecos. It's already set in stone. I did the reptiles. Well, I do got some better dragons still. Might breed those every once in a while, but that's not what I'm really focused on. What I'm focused on is fish now, and then I gotta worry with my daughter. That's all I'm worried about, you know? Trying to be a family man, take care of my daughter, take care of my family, that's it. You know, so yeah, just plecos, point blank plecos. I'm gonna go into L numbers later on, but right now, bristlenose, red, black, albino, probably green dragon down the line, but right now just gonna be the bristlenose, and then I'm gonna jump into the L numbers. Yeah, so that's all I'm trying to do, breed fish now. I tried the reptiles, I tried everything. I'm just sticking with the fish. Yeah, so let's go check out the babies. They just all huddled up in one little corner now because I already checked on them, but come on, let's go. Let's see how this. Look, you guys, right there. November 2023. That's why I messed up. Today is Saturday the 18th. This is an old calendar, so I messed up. They was hatched on the 17th of 2023, Friday. Look at their little eyes. That's real good. If you have any questions, just drop a comment. That's all you gotta do. And if you made it this far, like the video. So what do we gotta do? We gotta change this, not to November 22. We need November 23. This is the old calendar. They already starting to get their color. Like you can see that one right there. So this second day in, November 18th, Saturday. Still eating off the yolk sac. Only took 5 days for them to hatch. And I do got the video of these hatching and getting them laid and me pulling them from dad. If you want to see that video, it's like 2 videos before this one. Yep, but they just balled up. We got some in this corner, some in that corner, and some in this corner. Some right here. Okay. I got some nice looking guppies coming. Look at that one. That's beautiful. Look at some long fins. I want them to get bristles. I got some high quality long fins. Look at those. Once again, everybody, I just want to thank y'all for watching. Thank you so much for taking the time out your day to watch this video. I really do appreciate it.